So check out this endoscope from Pixaco. This is an industrial endoscope. It has dual lens. It's 8-in-1 adjustable LED lights. You can plug this thing right into your phone, whether it's USB-C, but they also have an adapter for lightning. It has a very long and strong cable where it's flexible. You can snake it through your drains. It's also waterproof, so you can go through drains and not worry about it getting wet. You can put it in places where you could never take any other cameras if it's through your wall or whatever, just to see what's back there. And you connect it to your phone and it immediately will start up your app. And through the app, you can take photos, you can take videos in case you need to show someone what's going on. And it is actually decent quality. It's HD pixel. It has those LED lights that are adjustable with brightness with this little dial right here. And with this button right here, you can easily take photos or start and stop your video. But if you hold it down, it will initiate the other lens. So if you need to see something over to the side instead of straight down, that'll work. It also has these little attachments that you could put on top of it. You have one that has like more of a hook. You have one that is like a periscope if you need to see around the corner of something. And also you have one that is like a magnet. So if you needed to grab like a screw or something metal around the side, you can attach onto that. So there's a lot of really good uses for it. It's very high quality, great picture quality. The app is also really nice as well. So I highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.